Hey guys, I'm Andre Paras. I play Bradley. I'm a basketball varsity and love interest ko po si Diana.
And I'm Ted Tolentino. My role is Ashley Alcantara. Kapatid ko dito si Barbie as Diana Alcantara. And I am the school Queen Bee.
Hi, I'm Derek Monasterio, and my name is Sebastian Torres here. And ako po ay isang working student na katrabaho si Diana. And nagtatrabaho ako kay Bradley. And yun. Marami kami kasama mga artista dito eh. Like sila...
Like sino po? Ma'am Pinky Marquez.
Miss Jean Garcia, Ryan Eigenman, Jo Marie Iliana.
And of course, syempre Barbie Cortez.
Oo naman.
Nakakalimutan kayo din.
And syempre, this is directed by Direct Mark Reyes. Yes.
And abangan nyo na po ang The Half Sisters ngayong June 9 na after ng Eat Bulaga.
Yes.